Evaluate 1 minus the quantity, 3 plus the quantity, 19 minus the quantity, 6 minus 12 divided by 4 squared cubed. There's a lot going on here. This is quite an advanced problem because we have 3 different sets of grouping symbols nested in between them. And I'll be honest, this is not something that we're really going to focus on in this class. I just wanted to show you an advanced problem because this might be the sort of thing that pops up later. And it's interesting, it will pop up in weird places. If you work somewhere where you are working with a lot of spreadsheets, there might be formulas that take quantities from various cells and do different things, and there's different formulas and functions, and you really need to be able to keep track of what is where. And this is the sort of skill that's going to help in those sorts of situations. So let's work on this problem one step at a time. The first step of order of operations involves evaluating things inside of grouping symbols. And here we have 3 sets of grouping symbols, and we need to start on the inside and work our way out. So we're going to start inside the parentheses. In those parentheses, we've got 6 minus 12 divided by 4. And we know that the division has to come before the subtraction. So we're going to do that division first. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So this is going to be 6 minus 3 in the parentheses. And 6 minus 3 is, of course, 3. So when we evaluate the parentheses, that leaves us with 3. So we've got 1 minus brace 3 plus bracket 19 minus, and then in the parentheses just 3 squared and then cubed. Now that we've done what's inside the parentheses, we can do what's inside the brackets. In the brackets, we've got 2 operations. We've got a subtraction and we've got an exponent. We know the exponent comes first, so we'll start there. 3 squared is 9, so this is going to be 19 minus 9, which we know is 10. So when we evaluate what's in the brackets, we end up with 10, leaving us with 1 minus brace 3 plus bracket 10, and then cubed, and then squiggly brace at the end. Now we have to evaluate inside the braces, and here we've got 2 operations. We've got an addition and an exponent. We've got to do the exponent first, so we've got to take 10 cubed. It's 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1,000. So we've got 3 plus 1,000 inside those braces, and 3 plus 1,000 is 1,003. So we've got 1 minus, in the braces, 1,003. And then this is just 1 minus 1,003. Now these have different signs. The 1 is positive, the 1,003 is negative because it's being subtracted. When the signs are different, we take the difference. So 1,003 minus 1 actually gives us 1,002. And since the larger number was negative, our final answer will be negative. And so we end up with negative 1,002 as our final answer.